Hello, fans of Andre, or friends and fans, say I'm a fan of Andre's. This is Yakko Warner, disguised as a very old man, but it really is me. And I'm also Carl Wheezer, and the only thing I have to say to my friend Andre is stay away from Jimmy's mom. You go ride a llama with somebody else, but don't forget to finish your croissant. And I am not one, but two Ninja Turtles. Raphael, from a million years ago on the OG TMNT, and I also get to be Donatello. So I get to say Turtle Power and Booyakasha! Thanks, Andre. We love you. You come live in the sewer anytime. Turtle Power,